Imagine holding the future in your hands, a device that's not just a phone, but a leap into the next generation of technology. From lightning-fast performance to mind-blowing camera upgrades, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade. It's Apple rewriting the rules of what a smartphone can be. Welcome to Fast Affairs. In today's video, we're diving deep into Apple's brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, its global release date, game-changing features compared to previous iPhones, the official price, and everything else you need to know before you decide to buy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max a true beast in the smartphone world, and whether it's worth your money. So let's get started. iPhone 17 Pro Max, the future of the iPhone series, 2025. Picture this, it's 2007, and Steve Jobs holds up the very first iPhone, calling it a revolutionary product. Fast forward to 2025, and Apple is once again rewriting the rules. Meet the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device that's not just another upgrade, but a glimpse into the future of smartphones. Today, we'll explore what makes it groundbreaking, how it compares to previous models, its global release, pricing, and much more. Stick around. You're in for a thrilling tech journey. What is an iPhone? The iPhone is Apple's flagship smartphone line, a device that brought together the functions of a phone, camera, iPod, and internet device into one sleek touchscreen. Since 2007, it has transformed how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. As of 2025, over 3 billion iPhones have been sold, highlighting its immense global influence. When was the iPhone 17 Pro Max released globally? Apple officially unveiled the iPhone 17 series, including the iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max, at a launch event on September 9, 2025. Pre-orders began on September 12th, with availability rolling out globally on September 19th. Features of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Compared to earlier models, design and display. It introduces a new design, an aluminum and glass rear replacing the titanium frame, with a sleek two-tone finish in bold colors like papaya orange. It boasts a breathtaking 6.9-inch ProMotion OLED display, now with improved brightness and refresh rates up to 120 Hz. Performance and hardware. Inside, the A19 Pro chip, built on 3nm technology, powers the device, paired with 12 GB RAM, delivering flagship-level speed and energy efficiency. Camera innovations. It features a triple rear camera setup. All are 48MP, plus an ultra-wide and a new periscope telephoto offering up to 8x optical zoom. The front camera has also improved to 24MP, enabling 4K video capture. Battery and charging. The Pro Max includes a 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in the iPhone line, with fast charging, 35W wired, 25W QI2 wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Connectivity and extras. Expect top-tier connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, UWB, and USB-C with USB 3.2 support. Other features include ProRes video, vapor chamber cooling, and under-display security enhancements. Price of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pricing is steep, a true flagship territory. In the US, the base model with 256 GB is expected around $1,249 to $1,290. In India, pricing is rumored around $1,64,990. Expect regional variations in UAE, Europe, and others. Additional important highlights. A few more things we shouldn't miss. A redesigned camera bar spans the entire width for a pixel-style aesthetic. An ultra-thin 17 Air model debuting alongside feels more stylish than ever. Just 5.5mm thick. iOS 26 with Apple's AI features and liquid glass interface brings software-level refinements. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just an upgrade. It's the next leap in Apple's innovation journey. From hardware breakthroughs to bold design, it's designed for creators, professionals, and anyone seeking the best in mobile tech. Let me know in the comments, do you think it lives up to the hype? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for real global current affairs that matter.